I may have to poop. I don't know. This whole thing is going off the rails right now.
Well, I mean, we did eat a dozen meatballs.
I wasn't expecting the meatballs to run through me in, what, 10 minutes?
I mean, we just put them up and we ran over here. We were like, oh shit, look at the time.
Yeah, we were almost kind of late. Maybe a good fart will fix it.
Don't try it. Don't do it. Sparkles does not advise that you do this. This is not something that Sparkles endorses in any way. Don't.
Oh.
That's a smoky type stare. Should we open the door?
You are like over here just farting up a storm in my apartment.
My farts don't stink.
What the what?
My farts rarely stink. 85% of the time, you'll never know. Oh, you'll hear them.
Oh, we went from my farts don't stink to my farts rarely stink.
85% of the time, no smell, just sounds. They're audible. Very audible.
I gotta take off my belt.
You should just buy you some stretchy pants or go put on one of them diapers that you got for free over there. Go put on your big boy pants. So
yeah, my Instacart driver brought me underwear that I did not order. In my order today, I might as well show them.
Put them on, take your poop. Big boy. They might even give you a little bit of a butt. You should wear them. Look, real fit. Stretchy waistband. Mr. Man. Look at the man.
Oh,
Mr. Man. Now show them what they are. Show them panties. Look at them man panties. They're pull-ups. I'm a big boy now. Put them on, Muffy. Do a little dance for us. Come on. Shake that ass, bitch. Did he go shit? He just left. Well, it's just us tonight because Muffins has to go take a dookie. Or he's going to come back naked and put on one of these pull-ups and then do something. Yes, their big boy man depends. Real fit. The Instacart driver just left them for him. They're like, this looks like a man that fucking pisses and shits himself. He needs these. Everything else was correct. But he got Mr. Man Depends. Even like, hey, does your kid need underwear? Like, these aren't underwear. These aren't underwear. He goes, yeah, they are. I was like, no, they're not. Yes, that model pisses and shits himself. He has no butthole. It's just a flappy hole and shit falls out of it. And so he wears these every day at work. And I know this because I used to clean bathrooms up until about a month ago for 6 years. So, yeah, I pull these out of the trash all the fucking time. Office men love these. They love shitting themselves. Yeah. He's in there screaming. I don't know if he's screaming at his on. Are you screaming at your asshole or me? He's screaming at what I'm saying. No, but he's also probably screaming at his own butthole. I can't even see the fucking screen. I might as well just go take his seat, but I'm pretty sure he shat in it. Did you poop in your seat? He says he didn't, but I don't fucking trust him. All right. Little head motherfucker. Hello. His chair is stupid. All right, it's just us tonight. Hello. Muffins died. It's just me. I have no idea what we're doing because I don't know where any of this shit is on his fucking computer. He just left. But look, there's socks. They are a kitty. Look, little petting. Yeah, new muffins. I think she liked my sweater. It's Art Attack.
He's just completely taken over.
Sit in your fucking hard ass chair, motherfucker. It's yours now. Yeah, this has better lighting too.
Indeed. Okay. I wish I was doing a bit.
Uh-oh, now I'm not in it.
I can't believe that happened to. Never in my. Never in my 20 years of broadcasting has that ever happened to me.